I have been running this business for over 12 years with my wife, Tara. She's a pain in the ass. She's not here. A company based on, for fuck's sake. A company built by the community for the, a company built by, for fuck's sake. A company built by the community for the community. Fucking hell, it's a tongue twister. Yeah, it's not. Are handled in the most careful and we ask for our clients to judge us on our workmanship.
Here at Mr. Splash, we specialise in. I knew it. Here at Mr. Splash, we specialise in. No, wait. Here at Mr. No, wait. Here at Mr. Splash, we Here at Mr. Splash, we specialise in plumbing. Here at Mr. Splash, we specialise in plumbing. Plumbing! 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 Plumbing!